Hello students, Michael Sanchez, violin teacher here and author of Fiddle for Dummies. I'm going to give you guys a test today that's going to really make sure that you have a good hand position with the left hand. So what I want you to do is, I want you to grab a friend and I want you to have them grab your hand from this point on down. So just like this, while you're playing anything you're working on right now. And if you're able to play every single note on the violin with just your fingers, that implies that your hand is high enough to be able to get a good vibrato and to have good technique to play fast and to be really efficient with your playing. So a lot of times those students are way too low with their hand. So as somebody grabs their hand at this point, let's say they have a fourth finger, they're not able to reach. So I can't reach that fourth finger on the G, so I'm having to sort of come in and out. So that's really inefficient, and that's what it's doing is causing your hand to be very tense. So try to get the person to hold the hand and to get a little bit higher up. So the adjustment would be going from here to here, a little bit higher. Notice how high the knuckle is. A lot of students, when they're playing the violin, their knuckle is more like this, which is way too low. So make sure it's high enough. Have that person hold on to the hand and see if you can start working on your pieces with a high enough hand. Thank you so much for watching this video. I've put together a really awesome course for how to do vibrato, which basically covers all the fundamentals, all of the drills with the violin that it takes to learn vibrato properly. So this course is located at violinshack.teachable.com, and it basically covers all the drills, all the things that I work on with students to help them have success with vibrato. And once you go through these concepts, you're going to really be able to soar at a really efficient pace on the violin because you have that good fundamental base. So I highly recommend you go and check it out, and hopefully we'll see you guys in another video.